Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. Yes, amazing news for our viewer. Well, humans share 98.8% of the DNA with chimpanzees. Yeah, it is the teeny remaining difference that holds the key to what sets us apart. Now, scientists at Duke University are uncovering how small genetic changes help shape the human brain in powerful ways. Their findings were recently published in Nature. Led by Dr. Davy Solberg, a professor of molecular genetics and microbiology, and senior research associate Dr. Jing Liu, the team zeroed in on mysterious stretches of DNA known as human accelerated regions or HARS. These parts of our genome don't code for proteins, but they are located near genes that play crucial roles in brain development. There are about 3000 HARs scattered throughout the human genome. The researchers focused on just one of them and discovered that it plays a surprising role in how brain cells are formed. Specifically, they found that these tiny DNA region can influence how neural progenitor cells, early stage cells that later become neurons, multiply and develop. This is important because the human cerebral cortex, the outer layer of the brain responsible for higher thinking, is both larger and more intricately folded than in other primates. That extra space allows for more neurons which support complex brain functions like abstract thinking, emotional control, language, and creativity. Using a genetically engineered mouse model with this human HAR, they observed that these mice had slightly larger cerebral cortexes and more neurons than the control mice. These changes trace back to activity in the WNT signaling pathway, a key regulator of progenitor cell proliferation and neuronal differentiation. They also edited human stem cells to include the chimpanzee version of the HAR, which differs by just 4 nucleotides and so less neural progenitor proliferation. But if they put the human nucleotide sequence into chimpanzee stem cell, neural progenitor proliferation increased. Amazing, sir, amazing. Behind the exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.